What's up, guys? Well, my face looks different. Okay. Okay. I just got this new thing, that I downloaded on my laptop. It's, okay, let's see, I'm not very good at reading. Sorry, the light is, weird, so I have to put my laptop up. BlinkX Beat. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. And, so I was watching it, and I saw this one. It's hilarious. It's called Dancing Santa. I'll have the little video right here. Okay, so if you want to watch it, it's Dancing Santa. And, so yeah, it's hilarious. I found it on YouTube. And also, it's something very happy. So I think that you guys deserve to know things that I think are funny and things that are, sad. Here's another very sad thing. I just watched the first, Twilight. Yeah, my first time watching Twilight. I mean, I've watched New Moon, but not Twilight. So, yeah. I also want to thank you to Clearwatcher and Colin, because she or he, I'm not sure, I'm sorry. But they are the one who, actually had that. Yeah, and it's pretty good, too. So, if you want to check it out, okay, I'll have the name right above me. And the video right here. Sorry, I get confused, right here, then I would think that it was. Yeah. Okay, so right here is the video, the funny video. Here is the sunset thing. But she or he did the movie very good. Okay, so please check that out, and please check that out. Okay, so we'll see you guys later.